Hey nerdlings, Anna and Hortensia here. Today, we're gonna get ready with Piper. I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Are you ready? Let's go! First, start with an SPF sunscreen. You're gonna be out in the sun, you need to make sure you stay protected. But I like putting it on first so that all my makeup goes on top of it. Next, I'm gonna put a BB cream on because I don't want to wear too much makeup while I'm running around outside. Next, I use concealer. I'm going to use one that matches my skin tone to do a minimal coverage where I need it most. Then I'm going to use the lighter color to highlight a few specific areas on my face, under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, and slightly on my chin. I use a translucent powder to set my foundation and my concealer. I press it very well into my skin. This will help prep your face for the powder makeups that are going to go on top of your foundation. I next do my contour. I use a warm color to contour out my cheekbones. I also use this right under my jawline. I like to blend an ashier brown and a pink color to add a little bit more dimension to my cheek contour. Next, I use my highlight color on the top of my cheekbones. If you find your contours a little too dark, you can always blend it out with a big fluffy brush. Next are my eyebrows, which I fill in with an eyebrow pomade. Don't be too stressed about making them match. Remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Now I'm using my contour color as an eyeshadow to go in my crease. I also use it very lightly under my eyes. Next, I use a dark brown just in the very corners of my eyes and also right under as an eyeliner. I grab my highlight and brighten up certain areas of my eyes like my lids and right under my eyebrows. I'll also blend out a few spots that need it. I use a dark brown cream eyeliner, and after applying it, I lightly blend it with my fingertip. Then I use a very thin line of cake liner on the tops, and I give it a teeny tiny wing on each eye. I use this cream and this fork for distraction! Just kidding. I use this for freckles. I kept this part of the film at regular speed so you can actually see how I do this. I very lightly dab my fork across the top of my cheekbones, and it's going to go across the bridge of my nose and onto the other side. After I do a section, I kind of like to dab it with my hand. It helps matte down the freckles and kind of gives them a more natural, asymmetrical look. One side done. I'm happy with that. Back to lightning fast speed. I love my freckles. I think they're so cute and they totally give a lot of character to Piper. When you're done, you want to set them with your powder just like you did your foundation. Pat them in nice and good, and if you're very careful, you can brush off the excess with a brush. I use a very natural pink lipstick, maybe slightly darker than my actual lips, just to bring a little more definition to my mouth. I use Ben Nye's Final Seal as my setting spray. This is going to help keep your makeup on all day in the hot sun. When you spray this, close your eyes, hold your breath, and don't open your eyes until it's dry. I don't do my mascara until after my setting spray because sometimes I mess up my mascara with my setting spray. Put on your wig and you're done! You're now an adorable Shireling! Yay! Does that mean it's time for second breakfast? I hope this was helpful, and I hope you learned something. If you liked this video, hit subscribe, like, the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. How do you like to do your makeup for your character for LARP? Thanks for watching. Bye!